Hey everyone, I am back doing another video. This video is going to be an update on my eyebrow routine. So obviously, as you can tell by the title, this is an updated one. I did film my eyebrow routine, it's gotta be a while ago now, probably like a year or probably even like 2 years ago. So this video is just gonna be a whole update, how I fill in my eyebrows, how I define them, some of the products that I use, or not some of the products I use, all the products I use, and everything like that. So yeah, if you would like to see my updated eyebrow routine, then just keep on watching. All right, so here's my eyebrows with no products on them. Now, I can't remember the exact products I used in my previous eyebrow routine, but I do believe that I am using like completely new products and kind of a whole new way of how I do my eyebrows, so that's why I really wanted to film an updated eyebrow routine for you guys. I believe the products that I did used to use were this e.l.f. eyebrow kit, which comes like with a powder and like a gel, and then I also used to use like a pencil. This is the Flawless brow pencil, I believe, in the shade blonde, and this is from BH Cosmetics. So how I used to do my brows is I would go in with this gel stuff in the e.l.f. eyebrow kit, outline my brows, and then I would fill them in with the pencil. I still like to do it that way, but I did switch things up recently because I don't know if you guys will be able to see. I can open it up for you guys, but in my e.l.f. brow kit, it's basically all gone. The powder's basically all gone. Like, it's around the edges, but I really can't get any powder out of there. And yeah, as you can see, the gel's really used up as well. So because that's basically gone, I bought a new product that I haven't used previously. I started using it quite recently, and that is this product right here. It's basically the same thing in the e.l.f. kit. It's like a gel, and this is the Milani Stay Put Brow Color, and mine is in the shade 02 Natural Taupe. And then like a little brush with like a brush end and a spoolie end came with this brow color. So yeah, recently I've just been using this brow gel basically to fill in my eyebrows. I do obviously still have my eyebrow pencil, but I usually don't use this every day. I basically go in with my eyebrow pencil when I'm just like running some errands or doing like fast, like 5-minute makeup. I'll just take the pencil, quickly fill in my eyebrows, not really spend a lot of time like defining them or anything like that. So that's what I like to use the pencil for. And I also have a couple other eyebrow products that I like to use when it comes to filling in my eyebrows in my eyebrow routine, but we will get to those in a little bit. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and just start filling in my eyebrows and defining them. So I'm just gonna use the brow gel, like I already said, for both of those things. And I like to use the little brush that it comes with. So first I use the spoolie end. I'll just brush through my eyebrows, and then I will take the little brush end, as you can see right there, and I will start outlining my brows, defining them, and then I will also use the same brush to start filling them in. And when it comes to using the spoolie, I like to brush my hairs up, as you can see, when I'm going to be taking the powder, or not the powder, the gel, and filling it in or outlining my brows down here. I like to brush the hairs up, and then when it comes to outlining my brows on the top, I will brush those hairs down, if that makes sense. Alright, so I have this brow defined and outlined, as you can see, and also what you probably saw in the previous clip is any extra powder or gel, I don't know why I keep calling it a powder, any extra gel that I have on the brush, I'll just kind of blend throughout my brows. So I'm kind of already filling them in after I outline them, just with any extra product that I have on the brush. So yeah, using that extra product that's on the brush basically fills them in completely, but if I need to fill in any sparse areas, especially up here, because on this eyebrow, I don't have as many hairs in the front like I do on this one. I still need to go in and define and fill in this brow. So I usually need to go in with a little bit more product on this brow and fill in the sparse areas in the front. And then once I have all of the gel product on my brow, I will go again in with the spoolie, brush through them, and make sure that all the product is blended in. It also kind of gives it a more like natural look. Alright, so now I have both of my brows filled in with all of the gel product. Now it's time to go ahead and set that product in. Now, me personally, I like to set my brows in place using two different methods. I like to go in with a powder, and then I also like to go in with a setting gel. Now, the powder I like to go in with that I've been using for a little bit now is this one right here. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is their Brow Powder Duo. And as you can see, it just has some powder in there. So I will use that powder using this little brush that I believe it came with. I'm not 100% sure because I got both of these things from my sister. So yeah, I'll just go in with this little brush, take some of the powder, and start setting in my brows. Alright, and then last but not least, the setting gel that I like to use for my brows is this one right here. This is by e.l.f. And this particular one has a duo end. One is for your eyebrows and then the other ones are for your eyelashes. I don't really like to use the eyelash one because I just feel like it doesn't do anything. So I will actually use both ends for my eyebrows just to get more uses out of this. And this side is obviously brown because when I use the little spoolie end to brush through my brows, it obviously gets some product on there. So don't be too grossed out. It's okay. It's just some excess brow products that got on the spoolie, and then obviously when I put it back in there, it changes the gel color. I'm just gonna take my little spoolie end and brush my eyebrows. I usually like to go in an upwards motion. Alright everyone, so that is it for my updated eyebrow routine. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you would like to see my other routine makeup related videos, like my foundation routine, I believe I've done like a lipstick routine, I will link those down in the description box so you can go ahead and check those out if you haven't already. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna get going for now, but I hope you all have a wonderful day and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.